does my air conditioning unit need a hard start?
The correct answer is no. It does not need a hard start. A hard start or a start assist, generally, there's some benefits to them, but initially we used them primarily when we had a compressor that we couldn't get started. You would put a hard start on it. It gives that compressor an extra jolt to get running. One of the benefits of a hard start is, obviously because it's helping that compressor start, there's the argument that it's going to increase the longevity of the compressor. Sometimes when you see your lights dim in your home, adding a start kit to your system, because it's using a start capacitor to provide that extra energy, it doesn't create that massive inrush drain on your home's electrical system. You might see a reduction in that dimming of the lights, that real short dimming of the lights when the system starts up. But generally speaking, if your system is running and you haven't had any issues with it, you don't need a hard start kit for your system.
And it doesn't seem like from every one of our technicians that are part of the network, we've talked about it, there's no reason to put one on as preventative maintenance.
Not as a preventative maintenance measure, no. Again, there's the argument that it could, lessen the load on the compressor over the life expectancy of the compressor. I haven't seen all the studies that show, yay or nay, whether or not that's actual. There's some new studies coming out from the manufacturers that actually there's a new technology called soft start kits are actually better for compressors than hard starts if you're looking for that sort of preventative measure, but those tend to be a little bit more expensive than your traditional hard start. I would say if you have a service call and your compressor isn't turning on and your technician recommends a hard start kit, that's a good application for that, because that's what it's designed to do is help that compressor start. If you want to do one as a preventative measure, there's nothing wrong with it.